Well, finally, the Pixel 6 I ordered on Google website is here. It is quite a bit while to process the order. I actually pre-ordered, so it comes with a free earbud, which is a great deal. And we will review the earbud later. Okay. Actually, the reason why I bought the Pixel 6 is I'm still using Pixel 2 XL, which no longer supports Android upgrade, and it suffers quite a limitation on performance. But I'm still happy to use Pixel 2 XL because it's been along with me for 4 years already, and it doesn't come up too much problems, right? And look at the box. Pixel 6 is very much more compact than Pixel 2 XL. Like look at the size, right? Well, the most reason the box is smaller is Pixel 6 doesn't come with an adapter. The trend is initialized by Apple. As Apple introduced, it can be a help for better environment. However, they still keep selling adapters separately. Yeah, Pixel does the same thing. If they can offer adapter for free and it's optional, I would say it's a help for a better environment. That's just my personal opinion. Okay. Today I'm not gonna look at Pixel 2 XL. It's in history already. Okay, now let's look at the Pixel 6. And yeah, look around. I really like the new way to open the box. It's way much easier. And the most reason I picked 6 instead of 6 Pro, just because of the color and flat screen. Like this, the Seafoam color really looks like a piece of foam floating over the sea. Like the memory foam take out of a pillow, right? So, oh, it's floating out over the sea. I think there isn't much confusion when people choose color, because Pixel 6 colors and the Pixel 6 Pro colors are pretty straightforward, whatever for female and male, young people and seniors, right? And yeah, the other thing is the screen. I'm not sure how much people love curved screen, which may cause misconduction. But I like flat screen for better in-hand experience. Actually, I really hope there is a mini version available in the future. Yeah, like if you found it's snuggy in your pocket, then you need a mini. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and I'm gonna open the box in the next phase. Thank you. If you like it, just click like and share and subscribe. Okay, see you next time. Bye.